So, you might be wondering why I'm in my son's room again for another review. You may remember my recent review where I showed this amazing new hybrid mattress from FlexiSpot that I got for my son's bedroom. Well, I am back with another FlexiSpot review, but this time it's not the mattress, it's the bed frame. That's right, FlexiSpot also makes bed frames, and I am obsessed with this one. This is the Japanese Joinery Bed Frame and headboard in oak, and this is a king size. I absolutely love the look of it and how sturdy it is, but what makes it so unique is how to assemble it. The fact that it's Japanese joinery means that you essentially just fit the main pieces together using very few screws or tools, and it all comes together in less than 10 minutes. I mean, it's honestly like putting together like Lincoln Logs or playing a giant game of Jenga. It is so much fun to build. Well, at least it was for my husband. But in all seriousness, he loves building things, so I let him do it, but I could have done it myself easily, I swear. And after the easy assembly process, what you get is a very sturdy, stable, and silent bed. Because of the Japanese joinery, there is no shakiness to it, and therefore no annoying creaks or noises when you are trying to sleep. See? No creaking noise at all. It just feels and looks so solid. So solid, in fact, it can hold up to 1,200 pounds. I mean, it can hold me, my husband, my 2 grown kids, and my 2 dogs. Like I said, this is the oak color, which is gorgeous, but if you're into darker wood, it also comes in a really nice walnut color. It's made from rubber wood, which is what you want in a bed frame, not particle board, which is lighter, cheaper, and not nearly as sturdy or durable. The bed slats have Velcro on them, which makes them stay nice and secure when you put them on. You can get this bed frame in this king size, a queen, or a full, and you can also choose to have it with or without the headboard. And speaking of this headboard, it is at a perfect angle so that you can comfortably lean up against it while you're reading or, watching TV. It has a slight incline as opposed to being fully vertical, which is way more comfortable. Another design feature that I love are the non-sharp bed rails and rounded bed legs. Both are rounded so you don't hurt yourself by banging your legs or knees against them, especially at night when all the lights are off. Trust me, I have had many cuts and bruises from the bed in our guest bedroom that has sharp edges. It seems like such an obvious idea to round the edges, and my shins thank them for doing it on this bed. And there is plenty of room underneath the bed for storage. There is 10.2 inches underneath there, so you can fit all kinds of stuff underneath the bed, from bags to storage containers. I know my pugs are happy because they love it when they have enough room to hang out under the bed. It's got inward recessed legs, which means it can fit nice and snug up against the wall, so there are no awkward looking gaps. Look at how perfectly it fits up against the wall. And it's got adjustable foot pads to suit any floor type, so it will always be perfectly balanced and stable. FlexiSpot also makes an electronic bed frame converter, which fits in this bed in case you want an adjustable bed. So now my lucky son has a brand new FlexiSpot hybrid mattress and bed frame waiting for him when he comes home to visit from college. So he's probably going to be a little bummed out when he has to go back to his tiny little dorm bedroom. But this beauty will be around for a very long time, so he can take it with him when he graduates. Plus, it's got a lifetime warranty, so it's kind of a no-brainer. If you want to learn more about this bed frame and check out the matching furniture pieces you can get with it, as well as other FlexiSpot products, go check out their website. And that is it for this review. Please remember to like and comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and check out the link down in the caption. Thank you very much for watching this, and I will see you next time. Bye.